so here's the big fat puppies. There's the Trinity girl right there. Oh, and there's Miss Red. It's not lunchtime yet. Oh, there's Purple. Hi, Purple. There's a boy. That's Black. There. Who's the chocolates? Yep. Pinky. And Miss Purple. Purple chocolate. There's Yellow boy with blue ribbon. Hi, you're so pretty. Hi, where's all my pretty puppies? Oh, there's Green Man. Why are we noisy? Why are we so noisy, huh? Oh, you got lots to say? You got lots to say today? Hi. Hi, come and see me. Oh, you're just so darn cute. You're so precious. Okay, I can't tell who's who now. They're so fluffy. They're so fat. They're fat. All of you have been eating lots and lots of food. Hi. Who's this? Oh, there's Green Boy. Green chocolate. Green chocolate? I can't see you. You're too close. Oh. Helping me with the camera. Okay, so we got Teal Girl. The furthest away there, finding a snack. And there's Purple Girl. Hey, we can't see your cute faces. Teal Girl. Hi, Teal Girl. There's Teal Girl right there. Teal. So pretty. Okay, now who's got me? Oh, those are very sharp teeth. Owie. Okay, no bites. No bites. Give me kisses. Hey, Teal, do you need a new ribbon? Let me see, is your ribbon getting snug? Oh yeah, it's time for new ribbons already. I think I just changed them. You guys are growing like weeds. Well, this is Black Boy, Black Ribbon, Yellow Puppy. Oh, you guys are just so excited this morning. You're supposed to be sleepy. Sleepy puppies are easier to take pictures of. Okay, so who's cute? Who's cute? Oh, you're cute. You're cute too, yes. Ow. 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 No bites. Ow, that hurts me. No bites. Okay, so we got all kinds of sweethearts here. We just can't say who's who. This is Green Boy. No bites. Ow, yeah, ow. 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 That's Purple. Who's chewing on my toe? Little piranhas. I tell you, they're lots of help when I'm doing laundry. Okay, this video is going to be really, really long. We're not getting our job done very good here. Okay, so there's Purple Girl of it. Purple! We can't see you. Oh, there you're going so fast I can't get you on the video. There's our pretty Teal Girl. There's our pretty Purple. Hey, now where's Red? Come here, Red. Where are you? Come here. We can't see you. Oh, no. I'm getting too much help. Holy moly, you're so heavy. Can't hardly pick you up with one hand. Okay, so there's Red Girl. You're so cute. Look at that big fat head. Look at a big fat head. That's sure gonna be bigger than the other two girls, aren't you? Yes, you are. I have a feeling she's gonna be the biggest. Teal's gonna be the in-between. And then Purple's gonna be a little more petite. Come here. Come here, show me your cute face. See, I'm going to be a little more petite. Yes. Yes. But the size is pretty minimal. When the day is done, there's like a big 5 or 10 pounds different between the biggest and the littlest. Hey, everybody needs a new ribbon or what? Let me see your ribbon. Oh, yes. Yes. You need a new ribbon too. Look at that, it's getting tight. I can only fit 2 fingers in there. I like it better when I can put 3 fingers in there. Ow! 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 Yeah, it hurts. Hurts, Mama. Don't bite. I want kisses. Okay, this is probably getting kind of boring. Oh, there's her cute belly. How's a cute belly? We all love our bellies rubbed. Oh, oh, oh. There. Tickle spot. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yeah, the good girl. Okay. I think this is probably enough. I think so. We could sit here all day and watch you guys run around in circles. We could. I don't want to get everybody bored to tears here. One last look at those cute faces. Come here, I can't tell. Touch your belly. Touch your belly. Here, what if I give you another little snack? Go get a snack. That keeps them still for a minute. Alright, this is going to be way long. We got to get off this video now. We got to get off this video. It's going to take forever to upload it. Okay, bye for now, everyone.